Hey guys, today we're going to be installing some bash bars on my 240. Got them right here. That is the front one. A little scraped up, we're not going to talk about it, but anyway, I'm going to put those on today, and then I will fit my front bumpers, rear bumpers, try and get the body kit on, and yeah, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I got the front unwrapped. I mocked it up a little bit. Pretty close, might have to bend it slightly. These are Njiku bash bars, by the way. So I'm going to put the front on, and then, by the way, these are like pretty close paint mesh to my engine bay. I can't pop the hood right now, but anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna do the front, and then once the front's done, unwrap the rear, and get them both on. Got her all on. Took about 30 minutes of beating it with a hammer, slight bending, but she's good to go. I'm gonna let Jack do the honors of jacking it up, so let's see it, Jack. What if, like, it's for some reason just broke in half or collapsed?
Guess you're not drifting this weekend.
That sucks. Whoa, whoa, man. Let's get around the center. All right. Look at that. Ease. Easy. That's sick.
Might as well throw the
That's really sick.
spacers on now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do an alignment, and then I'll throw some spacers up front, spacers in the rear. But for now, I'm gonna put the rear bash bar on. Yeah, we're good. She's on.
Alright.
You know what they say though, right?
What?
Cross threadens God's Loctite.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Something like that.
Hey, it's only cross-threaded in the bash bar itself. Anyway, cross-threaded one hole. Rear bash bar's on. Now I'm gonna start fitting the front bumper, rear bumper, and then this thing should look hella sick. I'm gonna explain the reason I chocked my front wheel and I jacked my car up. One time, we were jacking it up from the rear, and it fucking rolled. Crushed my gas tank.
Yeah.
Crushed it. It's got a fat dent in it.
You're on
Anyway.
incline now.
I was on a slight incline, but
Flat.
PTSD. Anyway,
Yeah.
Jack, do the honors for the rear now.
Alright.
A lot of people, oh shit, that was loud. Oh, dude. That's sick. That's really sick.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Oh, dude.
that's
Pretty dope.
really cool.
That's pretty dope. And it didn't crack.
Yeah, that's gonna be so much easier now. I don't even think they flexed at all. Sick. That's sick.
That's
I'm gonna put my rear bumpers on, not bumpers, bumper right now.
right now.
Okay, so last year I had drilled holes right here and just put self-tappers, but this year I'm just gonna try and do zip ties on the inside so that you don't see anything. So I'm just gonna have to make this side fit somehow too. But one side's kind of on, and then they always have this weird gap right here, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to close that too. But anyway, I'm going to come over, try and get this side somewhat decent before I finish zip tying that other side. So yeah.
Alright.
I'm not putting that in, so don't worry. Alright. Alright, this is how I'm solving the rear bumper little gap that I was talking about. Just drilled a couple holes in the very edge of the bumper, put some zip ties on this taillight piece, and then hopefully I'll be able to just throw this up. Super small gap, and it should look super good. Okay, so with those zip ties in, pretty good. Like, super small gap compared to what I showed you. The only annoying thing is this, but I'm just gonna leave it in that. And yeah, so I just gotta finish putting all the bolts in for this trim piece, and then I'm gonna move on, do both the side skirts while the back wheels are off. And then I'll jack the front up, work on the front bumper, finish putting side skirts in, and all that stuff. Got the side skirts mounted up. Just put 2 zip ties on that side. I'm gonna put a self-tapper in the door. Same thing up front. And then I'm throwing 35 mil spacer in the back right now so that these wheels sit hella flush. and that way they look pretty good and I'm zoomed in. But I just gotta finish up this side, put the spacers on. For some reason the other spacers weren't tight, which is kind of sketch because we were doing some hardcore rips, and I'll throw a little clip of that in there.
Damn, dude.
But anyway, it's starting to look really good. Everything's coming together, and yeah. Okay, jack stands are out. So let's see how this is gonna look. Actually, I think we're gonna be golden. Oh, plenty of room. That's a lot better than I expected. Yeah, so with a 215, I'm literally probably gonna be rubbing on this, but that's perfect because that means I'll be sitting hella flush. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, so that's sick. Rear bumper looks really good on here. Let me close this for you guys. There's that. Damn, this thing's really starting to come together. I'm gonna move to the front now and work on getting the front bumper on. Okay, so right now I'm putting the front bumper on. I just drilled a hole in the bumper and the fender, and then put a zip tie right there to kind of close that gap. I'm just gonna have to deal with this one because the way the fender or bumper was molded, I don't know, but it's not too big of a deal. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then I need to just zip tie the insides and this should be good to go. All right, front bumper is on. So that means everything's pretty much fitted except this because I need to get 3M sticky tape and then I'll sticky tape that on there. But yeah, so this is what the car's looking like. Everything turned out really good. Super happy with the fitment of those Injuku bash bars. Highly recommend. Really good for the price too. Okay, anyway, like I was saying, the camera died. Definitely recommend Injuku bash bars. They fit super good. Had to do a little hammering, but I think my frame's probably tweaked a little bit. Well, it's definitely tweaked. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And this thing looks absolutely beautiful. Right, Jack?
Yeah, she's gonna rotate.
It looks so good. So that's the end.